So now we have completed building one of our PV7300 terahertz spectrometers, and we've cleaned it up. We've put the warranty void stickers on it, and it's already been calibrated. It's been tested. This is the last step before it goes to the customer, and this is actually my favorite part of the whole process, because what I get to do at this point is I get to take one of these made in the USA stickers and put it on the spectrometer. And I thoroughly enjoy this. Everything has been made in the United States. Even the stickers have been made in the United States. I made sure of that. So let me pull off a sticker here. And we're going to put it, I think, right here. And we got to make it straight, so otherwise it'll drive both me and the customer crazy. So there we go. Final step in producing a Bachmann Technologies PV7300 terahertz frequency domain spectrometer is to attach the Made in the USA sticker. And there it is. Looks pretty. She's done and she's ready to go.